look what I made. A cat, a squirrel, a bunny, and the octopus. And I printed all by myself.
Kids today are becoming empowered by bringing their imagination to life. The excitement is motivating kids to work together, to be creative, and to not be afraid of mistakes. Finally, we have an educational tool that can be used almost anywhere. And the best part is, kids love it.
Hi, I'm Nicole. I'm an arts teacher. I'm happy to introduce Mini Toy. It's the world's first kid-friendly 3D printer. It's cute, it's safe, and it's excellent for the learning experience of children. And it's very affordable.
The Mini Toy app has hundreds of different 3D models, so it's easy for your kids to find the object they want to print. Creating and learning has never been this fun.
We love the design of the 3D printer. The fact that the mechanical parts are hidden makes it really kid-friendly. The different materials, like soft PLA and the FlexiPlate, offers a variety of textures, making the learning experience a lot more dynamic. We also made sure that printing is easy with one-touch printing. We've been developing the prototype for more than 1 year. With our team of dedicated engineers, we were able to accumulate 2 registered patents and 10 patent-pending technologies to build the safest and first ever kid-friendly desktop 3D printer.
It's pretty cool because you can make many things with it, and by many I mean almost everything.
Parents everywhere can feel better knowing that their child can understand and use this technology that's already changing the world.
We are launching Mini Toy here at Kickstarter in hope that you can help support our campaign. By backing us, we can expand the STEAM community platform, widely supply the Mini Toy, and create more and more open libraries of 3D models for you and your family and your kids to learn, explore, and play for fun.
What if you could, with a few clicks of your mouse, 3D print a toy for your child in the comforts of your own home? What if you could create gifts for your friends in minutes? Introducing the 101 Hero Mini 3D Printer, the most affordable 3D printer in the world. We've worked with the best in the industry to ensure a compact and easy-to-use design. Simply turn it on, insert a memory card, and print anything imaginable. The beauty of the 101 Hero Mini is in its simplicity. All you have to do is download one of thousands of lab-tested G-code files from our website, save it to your SD card, and make it real with one touch. We think that everyone should have access to 3D printing technology, and it's for this reason that we've made the 101 Hero Mini, the most affordable way to 3D print. The Hero Mini uses a new technology to drive the plastic extruding motor, and we've come up with many innovations in the structure and design of the printer itself. With these adaptations, you're able to have the same functionality of a high-end 3D printer, but for a fraction of the cost. Meanwhile, we've also worked hard to ensure a safe design, so the 101 Hero Mini can be enjoyed by the young and old alike. The 101 Hero Mini represents an entirely new medium for kids, engineers, artists, and makers.
3D printing is one of these technologies that can transform the way we make things. What we want to do is take that technology and bring it to a whole new generation of users. And to us, that means, kids who are inherently creative and love to make things with their own hands. We decided we should make a fun-looking 3D printer that's colorful and non-intimidating. So we put a clear shell around it, and then we colored all the parts so that you could see which parts are holding the bearings and where the motors are and how the gears are turning. All this is part of making Printier fun and educational, along with a really great tool to build your own parts. We've been operating full-time for just about 1 year, and we're really excited about what we've produced.
We're making every Printier here in our garage. We're using a laser cutter, 3D printers, and drill presses to make the custom parts that we need, and then we're assembling everything ourselves by hand.
Printier is different than other 3D printers because it was designed from the ground up with kids and K-12 education in mind. You don't need to know CAD, you don't have to have a dedicated computer in order to use Printier. All you need to do is have an iPad and Wi-Fi in your house or in your school, and you can design things and within minutes be making them yourselves. When we go to demos, kids are drawn to our product because they can see that this is meant for them. It's colorful, it's playful, but it's also doing something that's practically magic in their minds.
Drawing is awesome. Designing in 3D can be very difficult. What if making your 3D creations would be as easy as drawing on paper? We want to make designing in 3D as simple as possible. So we're building a tool with which you can start with your flat drawing and from there stretch it upwards, bend it sideways, copy, paste, and tweak those details. We are calling it Doodle 3D Transform, and with it anyone can express their creativity in 3D, even when you've never made a 3D model before. Hi, my name is Rick. I'm one of the founders of Doodle 3D. Together with my team, we developed super accessible apps for 3D printing. Back in 2013, we launched our first Kickstarter campaign to develop the Doodle 3D Wi-Fi box, to send your own simple drawings from a tablet to a 3D printer. It was a big success and it got lots of people involved in 3D printing. People made beautiful things with it. And based on the feedback of those users, we started working on a brand new 2D to 3D app. Our new Doodle 3D Transform app is now almost finished. And you can make way more complicated 3D designs with it. But most important, it's still super easy to use.
Doodle 3D Transform comes with a 2D to 3D split screen, with tools specific for each side. On the 2D side, we have a fun scan and trace function that lets you import drawings and images and automatically trace them to start as a base for your design. You can also draw directly, make squares and circles, and triangles and stars, and write text. On the 3D side, you can pull your drawing into a 3D shape. You can tweak this shape, move things around, or give it a twist. Transform works completely standalone, or together with a Wi-Fi box for wireless printing. You can also export your design to various 3D printing services. This way, you don't even need to own a 3D printer yourself.
You know, sometimes being a kid isn't as easy as you might think.
I mean, we have the ideas, we have the motivation, and we have all the potential in the world.
But sometimes we just don't have the tools we need. That's why we've decided it's time to make our own tools.
So we've created Yeehaw, the only 3D printer designed with us kids in mind. We made it easy to use and 100% safe for kids. It's controlled directly by its cloud system, either online or through its expertly designed app, so there's no need for manually adjusting anything. You can create unique and original designs pixel by pixel in the app, or you can choose from an always growing library of more than 2,000 ready-to-print toys. All you need to do is pick your color, press print, and Yeehaw does the rest.
It's fully enclosed by its safety door, so there's absolutely no danger when the machine is printing. If the door is open, or the machine is tilted, or anything else goes wrong, the machine will automatically stop printing and retract its nozzle. Yeehaw is sleek, compact, and see-through all around, which allows you to see your ideas come to life from any angle.
All of our filaments are eco-friendly and non-toxic, and they come in 12 different colors.
We wanted to make sure that Yeehaw allowed kids to explore their creativity in whole new ways. We could be innovative in our problem solving. We could dream up new and exciting worlds. We can help each other learn, grow, and achieve our potential.
And don't worry, we made it safe for grown-ups too.